Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a call on Instagram. Whether you want to catch up with a friend or have a quick business meeting, Instagram makes it easy to connect through voice or video calls. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Look for the chat icon located at the top right of the app. It looks like a speech bubble. Tap on it to access your direct messages. Next, open the chat with the contact you want to call. Scroll through your messages until you find the conversation with the person you want to connect with. Tap on their name to open the chat window. Now, it's time to initiate the call. Look for the phone icon at the top right corner of the chat. This icon is for a voice call. If you want to make a video call, simply tap on the video icon next to the phone icon. And there you have it. You've successfully started a call on Instagram. Whether you're catching up with friends or collaborating with colleagues, Instagram's voice and video call features make it easy to stay connected. Remember, these steps apply to Android devices. If you're using an iPhone, the process may be slightly different. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.